The Cyclospora outbreak, which is linked to iceberg lettuce, is causing people here in Maine to think about where they buy their produce. Some are turning to their local farmers markets as an option. News Center Maine's Brianna Bush explains why health experts say locally sourced food could be a good alternative.
All this lettuce will go to market and get bought by customers.
Mark Guzzi says he's built a loyal customer base over the more than 3 decades he's been selling vegetables at the local farmers market. The produce, like lettuce, is grown here at the family-run Piecemeal Farm in Dixmont.
They're one of the things that keeps people coming.
However, an outbreak of Cyclospora infections linked to iceberg lettuce, sourced from an industrial farm in central Mexico, has led many to question where they should get their lettuce.
There is a beautiful head of iceberg in there.
Some consumers are considering local farms as an alternative.
The accumulation over the years of food safety issues surrounding the industrial food chain has absolutely inspired people to search out local sources.
The nature of that short supply chain, fewer opportunities, fewer hands, handling the food over time, I think, do ensure that local food is a safe source of food.
Dr. Scott Melton with Northern Light Health says local farms could be a good choice as long as the distributor follows safe practices.
It's definitely an alternative, I think, but you want to make sure that they're also taking the proper precautions.
According to the U.S. CDC, the recent Cyclospora outbreak has caused more than 1,900 illnesses and 98 hospitalizations across 9 states. Maine is not included. Melton says there are key differences between the impact of an outbreak on small farms and an industrial farm.
If there is an outbreak with one of these guys, it's going to be much more contained than with a giant industrial farm.
We're taking every step that we possibly can to make sure that we are producing food that we would want the people we love to eat.
In Dixmont, Brianna Bush, News Center, Maine.